Hello, in this video we're gonna check if REALME C30 has a stereo speakers. So in order to do this, we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device. So the first one is on top right here. That's a volume, the speaker for the phone calls. On the top side there's no speaker. On the bottom there is one right here. On both of the sides there's no speakers, and on the back there's also no speakers. So now we'll need to play some music and cover each of the speaker and see if the sound is coming from two sources. If the sound is coming from both of them, that means it's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming from only one source, that's a mono speaker. So clearly sound is coming from only bottom speaker, and that means it's a mono speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.